Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me quickly show us how to solve this equation solution. Alright, we have 4 raised to power square root of x over 3 equals to, another way to write this 16 is 4 raised to power 2. 4 raised to power 2 is 16, and we also have the cube root of 4. Cube root of 4 can also be written as 4 raised to power 1 over 3, right? Because if we have y root of a, then it becomes a raised to power 1 over y. Alright, so that is what I have applied here. Now we can multiply this. One of the laws of indices or exponents says that if we have a raised to power x multiplied by a raised to power y, it becomes a raised to power x plus y. We are applying that here. So 4 raised to power root x over 3 is equals to, this becomes 4 raised to power 2 plus 1 over 3. Okay, we have applied this law here. Now what is 2 plus 1 over 3? You can quickly do that. 2 over 1 plus 1 over 3. LCM is 3. How many 1 is 3 times 2? 6. How many 3 can we see in 3? 1 times 1. So this becomes 7 over 3. Alright, so it means 2 plus 1 over 3 is 7 over 3. Right, 4 raised to power root x over 3 equals to 4 raised to power 7 over 3. So from here we can equate the powers. Let's equate the powers. Equate the powers. Alright, so when we equate the powers, these cancel this. So we have root x over 3 equals to 7 over 3. We can cross multiply. We cross multiply, so we have root x multiplied by 3, and also we have 7 multiplied by 3. These 3 can cancel these 3, so we have root x equals to 7. Now how do we find this? We take the square of both sides. Because square, we cancel square roots. Both sides. Alright, so we have root x, we take the square, and also 7, we take the square. The square, we cancel the square root, so square cancel square root. We have x equals to, what is 7 raised to power 2? It's 49. That means that our final answer is 49. X equals to 49. Now let's try something very similar to that. We have 2 raised to power root x over 5 equals to 32. Then we have 5th root of 2. Alright, so let's find the value of x. Let's find the value of x. Alright, thanks guys. Don't forget to like, share this video, comment your answer down in the comment section, and also if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you next time.